Hello everyone, so a quick video. So I've got this VW Touran where when I close the tailgate or boot lid, it still says it's still open. So I'll show you what I mean, and it's a bit of a clue as to how I'm going to try and resolve it in this video. So if I close it, there you go, closed shut. I'll go to the car. Look, the boot is still open, and because of that I get this intermittent issue where the alarm goes off, because obviously the boot's open and the sensor thinks it's open, and a slightest bit of wind etc sets it off and it drains the battery. So I'm hoping this WD-40 works. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. So I plan to do, sometimes it gets a bit stiff. So I'm going to spray WD-40 in here, all around here and all around the edges. Not sure if all around the edges will help, but I'm just going to do it anyway. Then I'm going to spray some here, because when I was trying to open it was feeling a bit stiff, so I'm hoping it's that. Look, a little bit of surface rust is showing in there, so I'm hoping it's that. So I'll do that, leave it for, there you go, look. I'm not sponsored, but a little bit of advertising there. Yeah, so I'm going to spray that all in there, leave it for 12 hours, come back and let you know how I get on. So wish me all the best, eh? So it's the day after. Let's see if the WD-40 trick worked or not. So if you go here, open. Okay, so just for info, I also, what I did, sorry it's very dark today, but I also opened this up like so, and then can you see those two holes there? I basically sprayed in there to try and get behind the mechanism. So hopefully that's worked. Let's see if it has. Let's close this back up. Okay, I hope you can see the display that says the front door is open and the back door is open. So if I shut this now, let's hope it's worked. Alas, it's not. It didn't work. Oh dear, total fail. Okay, so it's been a couple of days now since I've done this, so let's see if it's worked. Open it, so you can see over there, hope you can see, it says it's open. So I shall proceed to close it, and then there you go, fixed it, free with WD-40. Hope that helped everyone. Do like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.